Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a medium steak on the grill. First, choose a quality steak, like a ribeye or New York strip, at least 1 inch thick. Season it generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Let your steak sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This helps it cook more evenly. Prepare your grill for high heat, aiming for around 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your grill is screaming hot, around 475 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to get that beautiful sear. Place your seasoned steak directly over the hottest part of the grates. Close the lid and let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. This initial high heat creates a fantastic crust and those desirable grill marks, locking in the juices and flavor. After searing the first side, flip your steak and sear the second side for another 2 to 3 minutes. For thicker cuts, you might move the steak to a cooler, indirect heat zone to finish cooking without burning the exterior. Use a meat thermometer to check for doneness. For a perfect medium, aim for an internal temperature between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. The most crucial step after grilling is resting your steak. Transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the internal juices, which have been pushed to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the entire cut. Resting ensures a tender, juicy steak. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked medium steak against the grain into half-inch thick pieces and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.